If your account is restricted due to a payment issue, getting your listings live again is the first priority. In this video, I will show you how to fix an Etsy shop suspended for payments. First, log into your Etsy account and head to the Shop Manager. You will likely see a red banner at the top of the page. This notification usually explains if the suspension is due to an unpaid balance or unverified information. To resolve an unpaid balance, go to the Finances tab and select Payment Account. Look for your amount due. If you have an outstanding balance for seller fees or marketing, click Pay Now to settle the bill immediately. To update your billing method, in the same Finances menu, go to Payment Settings and click the Billing tab. If your card on file has expired or was declined, click Edit or Add New Card to provide a valid payment method. Lastly, check if your bank account needs verification. Under Payment Settings, ensure your bank details are confirmed. You may need to upload a bank statement or verify a small test deposit. Once your fees are paid and your billing info is updated, Etsy typically restores your shop automatically, though it can sometimes take up to 24 hours for the system to refresh. That's how you fix an Etsy shop suspended for payments.